Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know how to add Windows Ink Workspace to your taskbar, like the one you see over here. In order to do that, you need to right click on your taskbar and this window opens up and you see here I have checked in show Windows Ink Workspace button. And if I uncheck this button would be removed from my taskbar, but I want to keep this, and so you can activate the Windows Ink Workspace button from here. With that said, if you click on the button in the taskbar, these two options opens up. And here you see it is full screen. If I click on it, it will take the snapshot of the whole screen, right? This takes the snapshot. This is the snapshot of my whole screen. So I don't want to save this, and I cancel this. And then if I click on it, you see here it will be given that I have already installed Whiteboard. However, if you haven't installed, here will be the option install Whiteboard. And if you click on that, the window will start installing Whiteboard, but I have already installed it. Therefore, if I click on this button, Windows will open Whiteboard for me. So I click on it. And I reach here. So from this, you can open a new whiteboard. And if you click on this, this is the whiteboard that I have already generated. So if I can edit the already generated whiteboard if I click on it. And here you have these options. If I pick this inking, which I can also take by pressing Alt W button, and then I pick a color for my pen, like the one I picked this one. Then if you have a writing pad like Wacom writing pad, you can write very easily on this page. For example, I'm writing with my mouse, so this is not very fancy. I write this is my document. I don't write anything else. So you can write like this, you can write equations, you can write anything. And if you want to you change the position of this, you can click back on this arrow, which you can also activate by pressing Alt and S button. And I click on it, I press the shift button on my keyboard and I select all of them. Now all are selected and I can move by pressing this to anywhere, like this place. I miss taking this. I can drag this to put this back over here. So and else you can select all of them like this way. By selecting this, you can delete it if you don't want it. And similarly, you can add comments by coming here to the add text button and clicking on the add text button, putting this anywhere. You can add comments. This is my first document, and you can change the size from here. I put this in small. You can make it bold if you click on it. And you can similarly change the color by pressing on this color button, and you can choose any color of your own choice. If I put, I can change the color like this, and similarly I can move it like this. And if I click on the edit button, you can further add this like this one. So you can move this anywhere. And if you want to add emotions, you can click on this. Add reactions, you can click on this. You can click on any one of them. For example, if I want to add a hurtful emotion, I click on it. I choose this, and I move to the place where I want to put my emotion. I put it like this over here. Similarly, I can put a cross sign by picking this and putting this over here. This way you can add emotions and other things to your file, and then coming back and then selecting back this would take me out of the emotion selection. So now I am out of the emotion selection. And this way you can write, you can edit. There are some other, if I go back to my home, and if I click on adding new whiteboard, it will add a new whiteboard. You will be taken to this page. From here, you can uh, pick any template, or you can start with a blank canvas. If I click on the blank canvas, it takes me over here, and again, I am on the same page. Similarly, in here, I can do whatever I want from this panel. I can write, I can edit, I can add emotions, and probably I can, let me take a picture from here. I can drag this picture and want to put this over here. Yes, I can add pictures over here. This is in fact the initial snapshot. If you haven't installed the whiteboard and clicking on the pen button, you will see this screen. So you can add picture from outside. You can probably size them to any size like this. So this way you can use whiteboard and Windows. And thanks for watching Safi Mixed.